7 states in 10 days.
No.
How many?
20.
20? Yeah, right.
No, that's too much.
4 states.
4 states in 10 days.
4 states in 10 days. 4 states in 10 days. First one was
600 hours. Oh.
600 hours. Is that 600 hours, 10 days?
No, I don't
No.
know. How many hours is in 10 days?
I have no clue.
Did you figure that out?
No. So the first state was?
Washington.
No. 4 states in 10 days without Washington. And none of them were Washington. First state was?
Idaho.
You stayed in Arco. Really? You gonna sing? Go ahead and sing for us.
I am not singing for you.
No, come on.
None. They're leaving, so they're going to start their truck and be noisy. So.
Yeah. 10 for 7.
Yep. Time for a new one. No. 10 states in 4 days.
That's a lot of driving.
Yeah. 4 states in 10 days.
Yeah. So the 4 states in 10 days.
Went to Idaho.
Idaho.
Arco.
Went to Arco.
Arco, Idaho.
Not the gas station.
Not the gas station.
Okay.
Although every time I think of Arco, Idaho, I think of the gas station.
Does that mean anything that it's next to a
So
volcano?
you know what? They should have called that RV park AM PM. AM PM in Arco.
So near Arco.
Was Craters of the Moon.
What did we do in Craters of the Moon?
We went into those volcanic
Lava tubes.
I don't know why I can't think of lava tubes.
I don't know.
I want to just say volcanic caves. We went into the
Well,
volcanic
they're kind
lava
of
coves.
It was 97 degrees outside.
Yeah. So it was 97 degrees outside, but it was...
It was like a refrigerator inside.
Yeah, we even found ice dripping because it was melting.
Yeah.
I want to call them ice caves.
Ice caves. No, they weren't ice caves.
They were an ice cave.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
Had to bring flashlights. It was dark.
Can you put new batteries in these things?
Yeah.
Well, the flashlight.
That one dying. There's a third one in the backpack.
Where to?
Oh, you want to go up and around that way or back where we came?
Where does that come? See an entrance.
You came from a different direction, right?
Yeah, that's off to the right of the entrance.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like where. Yeah, the bottom of it.
It's a fun.
It's so.
So I see daylight way down there.
Another corner. Here's dripping water.
Yeah.
Oh, you did get video, though. My squirrel. Found a squirrel. He scared the bejeebers out of me.
Yeah, I got that. What do you think it was?
That's what I meant.
I didn't know what it was until I actually saw what it was.
It wasn't a mouse.
I kind of thought it could have been a mouse because...
It was bigger than a mouse. Might have been a rat.
Oh, don't say that. It was smaller than that.
He's eating something down here.
Taking over there.
Yeah. Also, I had to climb a really big hill there.
Oh, yes, we went to the cone. I wish I remembered the name of it, though. We're called something cone.
Something cone.
So we found this really large black lava cone that we got to walk up. It's about a mile?
No, it was like
Half a mile.
like 1,200 feet or something like that.
But the grade on it was steep. It was very steep and very windy at the top.
Tree half blown over, hanging on for his dear life.
Yeah.
What the hell do they call it? Snow cone. Snow cone cave or snow cone tube. Or...
Snow cone cave, snow cone tube.
So after Craters of the Moon, after Arco, the gas station.
No, not the gas station. After Arco, the town, we went to Yellowstone. We went and stayed at the fishing bridge RV park. It was all brand new.
The new section of it.
Well, yeah, I
Yeah,
guess
the
it was...
RV park's not.
And while we were in Yellowstone, what did we do?
Saw traffic jams.
Oh my gosh. So if you go to Yellowstone, you got to be patient because the traffic jams there with the bison is unreal.
Bison will just cross the road and stop in the middle of it.
Yeah, they have a mind of their own. They just stop there and want to...
So we
piss you
actually
off.
spent a whole day just watching them block the road.
We did.
There's more from other parks.
We actually pulled off to watch them. So while in Yellowstone, we did do an all-day tour on the bus.
Well, that was one of the first days we went.
Yeah.
That way it gives us a good...
Idea of what to see and give us an idea of places we would want to go back to.
Yeah, exactly.
In 1871, the Hayden Survey Group came through. Come on through, folks.
Okay.
I'll try not to spit on you when you came through.
Okay.
I get so excited out here sometimes I
I
start to
know, you
slobber
start
and
to
everything
slobber.
and froth at the
Drool.
mouth.
Drool and stuff.
So, in 1871, the Hayden Survey came out here. There was a gentleman, well, when people would come through, they would talk about the big fluffy cows, the big lake, hot springs, boiling mud pots, water squirting in the air. And when people got back, they're like, yeah, you're a good storyteller, you're not a great explorer. People just didn't believe people because that's just unheard of out here. So, when they would come out the next time, they brought William Henry Jackson and Thomas Moran.
Okay, so the day after the bus tour, we went back to Old Faithful, and then we went to Grand Prismatic, which was really awesome.
It was like a rainbow in a pool.
It was. We went to the Overlook.
Yeah, we actually didn't go out onto the boardwalk.
Yeah, we didn't go to the boardwalk. We went
to
to the Overlook.
to look down on it.
So it was a little bit of a hike, but it was pretty...
Yeah. One of the nights we went to West Yellowstone.
So while in West Yellowstone, we went to this pizza place that had the Border Hookups playing.
And so we're just traveling on our way down through, we're in Utah on Friday, and then through Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico.
I thought you were going to say, wait, where are we? Because we often forget because we travel so much. You guys too?
It is great to be in North Dakota, though, I can tell you that. It feels good.
So after Yellowstone, we went to the Harvest Host.
And we got to go see more bison.
More bison. These ones weren't causing traffic jams, though.
No, we actually got to go on a little ride in the side-by-side into the pen where all the bison were. And I actually had one come up and lick my arm, which is very weird.
You like that cow tongue?
So those bison were actually used in the Yellowstone TV show.
Yes, and I believe she said it was season 1. After the bison ranch, we headed to Helper, Utah.
Not much in Helper.
Very small town.
But the town got its name from the Helper locomotives that would help the long trains get over the mountain path.
Yes. So they'd stop in town and pick up extra locomotives.
Yeah, the boxcars are already there, so we used the locomotives to push them over the
hill.
pass.
We didn't really do much in Helper, Utah, because it was so hot. It was 97 degrees just about every day we were there, so we were inside most of the time.
Once the sun set, we would
Once the sun set, we'd go outside and finally make some dinner.
take the dog out. All she wanted to do was go to the river.
After Helper, Utah, we left there and came to Montrose, Colorado.
Montrose, Colorado, there was the RVE Roundtable. We met a whole bunch of other small business owners that full-time RV.
So while there, we met Todd and Sheila from Switch It Up, and then we also met
Dave and Jacqueline from Border Hookups. Outro?
Huh?
Outro.
What's that?
Ending.
Ending? I don't know what to say for an ending.
I don't either. Smash that like button.
Smash.
Wasn't that the thing? Yeah, smash the like button, click the subscribe, and hit the... Smash that like button. Yeah.
No,
smash,
like.
Huh?
Like. Smash the like button.
Smash the like button,
Hit
hit subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when we have a new video. So be sure to smash that like button. Hit the subscribe Yeah, smash the like button, hit the subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when we get a new video, when we upload a new video. Smash that like button.
Hit subscribe. See, I can't even say the damn word. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Is that what it was? Oh, smash that like button.
Smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when we upload a new video. It's so stupid.
Really? There was a fly. Oh, and I have proof. It's on video. But there was a